Hey everybody, this is Anna with Adventures with Anna. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I thought I would make some pizza. Now I have never used this store-bought pizza crust before. I know nothing about it, so we're going to give it a try. I'm going to be making a pepperoni pizza and a chicken club pizza. I guess the bag is so you can store them, but I'm going to be using both of them, so I don't think I'm going to need the bag. And it says, brush crust with olive oil, preheat oven to 425. I'm actually going to put mine at 450, because that's what I cook everything at. Remove pizza crust from package. I did that. Brush with olive oil. I'm actually going to spread some garlic butter on it. Top crust with desired ingredients. You can do that. Bake on oven rack or a cookie sheet for 7 to 10 minutes. Cooking times may vary. It says hint for crispier crust. Bake until edges are golden brown. So let's give this a shot and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to be making the pepperoni first because I am still in the process of cooking my bacon for my chicken club. I have some of my favorite cheese again. I'm going to go ahead and I guess I need to put sauce on first. I'm just using up some more of my pasta sauce that I have left over. So we'll spoon some on there and spread it around. That looks good. Now I won't be using tomato-based sauce for my chicken club one. Alright, now my favorite pizza cheese. Pepperoni pizzas, you always put cheese on first, then you put your pepperonis. On a pepperoni pizza, most of your cheese is actually on the bottom. Whoops. And you know, we like cheese. So I want to make sure there's plenty of cheese on my pizza. That looks pretty good. Now just for good measure, I'm going to sprinkle that with a little bit of garlic salt. Just like that. And I'm going to use up the rest of the pepperonis that I had left over from the other day. Like that. Definitely will not be a pepperoni lover's pizza, because that is where the pepperoni is solid. We're going to have to spread this out and make it go around. I don't know, might be able to put more on there than I think. There we go. Put some diced onion. I got some chopped mushroom that I'm going to add to it. And just using things that we have on hand. I did go buy the pizza crust today and the cheese today because I didn't have the pizza crust and we were out of cheese. If you guys remember, you've watched my previous videos, hubby does like jalapenos. So we're going to add some jalapenos to half of this pizza because I would like some of this as well. Maybe not half. Maybe a little more than half. Okay, I'll leave a little bit here for me. And now to add a little bit more cheese on top. Alright, that one's ready to go. Alright, here we go with pizza number 2. This will be our chicken club pizza. And on this one, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic salt to the bottom of it. Got a little bit much in that corner. It should be alright. Gonna add some ranch. Gonna add a little bit of the Italian cheese to the bottom. I cooked a couple of chicken breasts and I just kind of shredded up. I just shredded it up a little bit. I used about 3/4 of a chicken breast. I don't know if I'll need all this for my chicken or for my, chicken club pizza. That looks good. I do have a little bit left over, so I will use it for tomorrow's meal. Alright, got some more. Finish up the rest of these sliced mushrooms. Gonna add some diced onion. Diced tomato. bacon. Let's scoot this out a little bit. I'm going to put just a few jalapenos on there. Or you know who. I'm going to use some of this Mexican cheese. You can do just regular mozzarella or your pizza cheese on there, but we like a mix on top. Alright, let's go put this in the oven. Alright, here we go, guys. Here is my chicken club pizza. I did turn the broiler on this for just a few minutes. And here is my pepperoni, oops, sorry, got my finger in the way, my pepperoni pizza. And I did not use the broiler on this one. I cannot wait to cut into these and give them a try.